Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything with no concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
And you don't enter problem. You know, game. You don't enter. If you see this my eyes, you go no say you don't tell we are wake since for your matter. When I beg for your matter, you know, game. You know, game. I use God beg you, come out, do video. May you say apologize to the woman where you insult yesterday. That address where you bring come out. The woman where you get that address where you bring come out. Where you insult yesterday. Come out. May you apologize to that woman. I use God beg you. You know the reason why I do these things. I speak English to do this thing. You know the reason why I can't do this thing. If anything happened to you, Inogi, happens to you and your kids. Now about this man, now people go narrate for the social media. Now me, now go say I'm the bad head for the social media. They go say now me, I'm the bad head. I not get any award when I not get cup when I want gain for your matter. If you go jail or they take your kids, I not go fit come here, come bust champagne, they drink. You understand? It does not make me another level. You understand? That is the reason why I'll be apologizing for your sake. Because you don't know me too well. You understand? Now make I kill and down because of God. Because why? I want to bring myself down for you, Enogi, to be safe. You see this YouTube way they see so? I not get document for Europe. And I not hide down. You understand? I just stay with Weibo. This YouTube they pay me. I wait a year to go me oko. Yet him when you bo, I can't say bo, you wear YouTube now. Because if no you go, no YouTube you have you go ya can't bo ne. E bo me you no you go me. You understand? So as a smart guy, I need to look for person where I know say I go fit trust. Make you give me your account, give me a name and your address for my YouTube. I am monetize YouTube now. You understand? And that name, that address, now they send you email. Inogi. So for you bringing that address on her, displaying that address on her, and be bragging with that woman, just grasa, I dey come for you, I dey come for you. Automatically, no one will be woman because the video way, I'm going to be woman in a screenshot way. And you were so smart. The money they advise you, you really advise you to delete the video. You were too smart to delete the video. But unfortunately, even when we were away video, a woman was watching you. Who got three body woman, a man TV woman, I be black, you TV woman. You have a video ni woman, and a woman in a video ni lawyer. I like page you a video and we. A woman no don't have a man where you get twins. You don't born, you get twins. How a video you know in download area. Yes, they nice. When me and my boat drive reach there, that is the name way. Go come our area be a city in we mula dani. A city in city me. A city in ya deni. You understand? A city ni emenaya deni wali mede. A city ni me about 3 cities before that city. Understand it now? So all details about that woman on muladi. E bo o ni ome. Down here ni Joyce Gressa. Ebo all that one. And when you are in matani, my sister, my brother Enogi, Lahore, you also look in your way. Because I don't take him far. Or do I affect you? Do I affect him more? Again, I will be with this man I cause one. And by with this man I do one. And by with this man I do one. It might not go far. Or go far then. Hello, hello. I talk about a real life video. A real life video. Okay, no matter. You understand? Enogi, Lahore. When I share this video, go give Enogi. Because why? What's the other one lads and doing woman? No, I know something you can't beg me. My way, Sagari, my way, my fool. Sagari, my way, nothing will die. But for the sake of your children and you understand? For the sake of your children and you. Ladian, a woman, a threat, no threatening a woman in a phone. A threatening is against the law in Deutschland. Man, you threaten that woman on phone, and now a matter allegation in my only time in a book baby live video. You understand? Say man only boy, and my only time in no book baby. Lahore wo because now Oma call the platform you know what you want to call her. You understand? You might send on you, might send on you. Don't really come what in Sagano. You might send on you. But when you get the soon that way, another story. Ata. But wama cross a boundary. Am saga you can saga me, I saga you. But you people are crossing boundary. All the name of way or follow our hand. Or follow our hand because what was there? Who are who are big misbehave. I will tell you the truth. You understand? That is me for you. Who are misbehave, it not wrong away. Who are say I will tell you the truth. Even a kudos in way. You understand? But not in the essence of bringing out people identity on social media, the person you don't know. Now, I had a woman and a court banner. If you and that woman stand in the court of law, this woman, do you know this woman? The Nunyata, who we L. Has a bully you on social media? Or we L. You understand? The same frack with Gwankanana. You don't even know where I'm living. You don't know the real address of me, where I'm living. Then we have anything. Address email where go now. I put my email if you work give me. You too very work go. Do you think I'm stupid? You know, post a identity on social media because I know it's against the law. What understand? You can sue me for that. Or say, the onion say that way. There is never a time in my young myself. Ya that way, you don't know. Ya that way, you don't know. Because why they do this thing now? Una swear they see the watcher. Now I'm going to say I'm a bad person. A boy no down, a boy no now, a boy no now. But the matter of the time, what a boy problem. Who go no guana, who go also with be a problem in my. I was using a Jamalai. A Jamalai nigga I use. Who go not a Jamalai and a Jamalai a body me. Who go not a Jamalai, I don't share with the Jamalai. Now I don't share with Frank with name. Or while we have to trace that Jamalai. Because the Jamalai ni a document I do. A ordinary line at the Katabaki. A man who go where I yo. How come? You know, when where you can, no, it doesn't mean we're brothers, we're just trying to insult each other on social media. It doesn't mean anything, you know. Let it go, let it be. Even when a battle one, water, or marry bottle, or maybe, or marry bottle, or marry bottle where I go. But on marry bottle, or you go young, you wow. What the one might be well, oh, in the boy, up, before the way I be. What the woman I do boy, will make you in the boy, when I be. Mami, ebony pepper the GPC member. No say I don't say you be GPC member. You understand? Why would I tell you no give me delete the video yesterday? If no know what to know, no get cross Majabi. Mami wala no bole le nogi, Wa avec bole le wori gan. Wa avec bole le comment avia omo. You understand? Because the matter now, it's not MOA. Enogi man be coming. I don't have any business with Enogi. Or Enogi have yet to organize. You have Enogi about business. Yes, you have Enogi about my business. You understand? The matter was na Obama yesterday vehicle. I will not get clear. We know Gimana Laja me woman because the only thing I can do, I have told this woman this morning. Someone file. Or you calling me. Okay, I didn't know. That's even way. Memory. If you hear we no give, you know way no. You know how way social media. God. If you GPC ale we vie gbe. Oda fun ori owe yo. Oda fun ori owe yo. Why? We e ba wa yan gele na say social media wahala. E mani bun o e ti be sin ran yan ne. Matana. Or you beg me matana. La oni gwe woman go. A woman will be say I lawyer for. You're gonna take care as my own. And the lawyer for and they hear my word or the wadam your man. And that's your winner in lao. How I mean come on the point no slow down. No slow down with the matter now. You understand? And I time when I settle. So no one in matter na look good and be careful ba. I don't monogi. Monogi the cut one problem is this thing is so well. You must traffic now. None be able for. Okay more. Now the video I know you download it here. You may surprise. The woman make the video where you are. My wife record. Or the video where you may ho. No worry. You understand? Why I worry? When we were at the live video when I have a commenter, when I call you, color one color ignogi. None of one on school in Deutschland. None of you were not G school with Deutschland. None of one of you even in the law of the even the latest law. Now you my sign it. You give it the law, but you my sign it. None of you are not in the law. Just for you people to be whiling away your depression in the house because of hey doggy, that woman, transgressor. I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Eminu nya yingana. Transgressor. I will deal with you. I will deal with you. All in one way you. All in one way you go gyo no wana. Akbe yo ho fu. Evenuta. You understand? No gay. Because go money kono laho. The highway video ya go. You understand? Mamu got a problem. Do me anything you want to do me. Do me squad though. Kill me. Be one on my own. A woman, you wear. What see you wear? You wear. See why, Matana? Where why the problem with social media? Mahu where because of where is the worst enemy. To my hand, you come away. Every time you come away. And then how you buy your love woman, then she become my worst enemy. Or say, boy, however. Understand? So as only my way what keep her aside. Mommy address me, why are you boy or boy day fini? So if you okay, dating me, address no get addressing me. You get what forward there, you send there YouTube forward there go. If we read on when we so as yeah, when why we joking? I'm not trying to disguise you. You can come to that house. I just need to go in there. When you go. When you go, man, drive. I do want it. You want to get rid of him about this man. You understand? I do want it. And you answer my what man? I just come out to talk to you as a brother. So be worried about that. Social media, if you get sense, and they always tell you the truth for this live video. But because of all your live video is for money, telling lies to make money, telling lies to make money. That is what you people are always after. So when they tell the reality, you watch that person is the bad person. That's why you people are attacking me. But now, will you boy and boy a problem by bringing that person on that personal mind identities on social media? We check with the Eborime, Eborime, we need Borime Ikose, or the German of the American one. We know Ikose, the dinner only ready in Yajab where this city. We know only, or no America, only Yoga. We know Ikose, the Hamwell. The thing you know, the address of the Mula in live video only. We don't get it, the video, man. The problem where are you? You understand? Or say now when you laugh, we are in the town. I will be do it. What's it now? We video now, and we don't know see Bala. What's it now? We video now. A matter now, but I be careful because of your arrogance and your proudness. A matter now, but I wanna. We right away, Frank. Or see a problem. Even if they give you advice, kakabo when you meet you, you have advice you. You understand? No like you will give you the good advice. No deity, no jealousy way. You have kabok me where what will do your back. Will do your back. So I say cut in there, and I will follow you go cut. We know Jena, we know Jena. Can't tell me wa. Imwe be wa. Wa we joking no. Ogi ma we. I keep on your side. Me ogi me na me wa pending ogi me na. I pending ogi. No we dey ina me wono akawa lahi. Cause ima na me wo ko na asi we bolo ana. Unwe franco yiji. Unwe me na o yiji. Me han ya na. Can social media na. We must see it. Because of winning on short 85% right. Oh yeah, team blast away. Because we're a presenter, a live video. And the funniest part on my way, when you have me identity to them, not quantity to get why we have time YouTube. We have time go. We identity no mugian, identity no forward the gain of bullying record. We have time go. We identity no mugian, I can't no mugian of bullying record. On no advice we, Kakabo can no advice we. That Yahoo boy, no, what you Yahoo boy, Yahoo boy will not go, That beg go, or beg YouTube coming away. Identity, addressing one mugi very nogi, addressing Yakol Yari Koto. You understand? My brother, la ho, this all over in your way. The thing I can do when you apologize to that woman, if you don't need, if you he will give woman, he will give other for him. You understand? I will go there myself and beg them. Because even now, he made that drive to Bani Latina. And now the way video now. Because other kind of work I'm going for. But other for Indo Mario Metai. You understand? And if we are log Mario Metai, away, should go and talk to his wife. He call her only way Rimuna and Yakubon Rimuna. You understand? So please, I beg you, use a lobo in your way. Use a lobo in your way. My way na gui, you are in my walk gui. Come out on a granny banner. One boyo in a why little regani. One boyo in a little regani. A baby none soon that tied Murphy. A tied Murphy one may go. I want to know how my way ride down. In a color social media, I'm okay. Now the fact come for live video, con the mocker. You know, use your head do. Doing you would I'm not saying you should come and beg me. Not be me at all. Me and you are not beg me. If you beg me, no say I no agree. And you said no. We are even we are going to beg me. It's your woman by because me quick. My way money they beg you. Only in here so that if you cut the video, go give them or has it time again that one yard over. Yeah, him here. Talk to them, see me can laugh. The way I feel they make them laugh. You understand? And the only thing I go fit do be that one. I use God beg for those people who know you no give. Now see this message where I go give them. Yeah, our well they want corner. For that address where you bring comments, where they don't post for hair. Different blogger don't post for hair. All those GPC fake accounts, they send an address with that one because all of the different address. You understand? One I know say na Europe today. If you come and address, now you go the problem. I tell you. Now you go the problem. You know they follow person way no law they talk. Una ti se na just una don't see identity. Why me gbe na adi. On wa do nisha, wa do nisha ibo. Eni vero wani. When even stupid the hena. Umu addressing na address na go anywhere me Frank Victor, Nene Straza, Frank Victor agmo you wani. O we ti me mama don wani. Illegal work making you work with your every aduro person in Europe illegal wa yakin. When no gi illegal we him one wejini, but you don't know. Illegal work in Deutschland, illegal work in Deutschland. We man akilo no no na we illegal we when we na why say cutting do we big illegal we. So you used to know ya come out to apologize to that woman that you were threatening on social media or because of Frank Victor. You understand? Do that because I already start apologizing on your behalf. Let that woman let that matter die. Now me and you get issue. You understand? Because a YouTuber, yeah, or collective. Even address even bank in the one. On one be or ya take account here. You understand? Yeti ya more accountable YouTube me. Ime ya more accountable YouTube me da ya more accountable black na radoro ya YouTube me. You understand? You want to do me oko. So feel now, if that your mentality, or not even how you need to use your head. More than use my head the reason where. You understand? So my brother Lao, come out and apologize to that woman. Apologize to that woman, and I also cut the video to go and beg that woman. Let that woman let the matter go. So now just normal with the saga herself. You understand? The saga herself made the matter clear for her. Say that woman, you know, apologize to that woman. My brother, you told him well. Now me know waiting at the talk. Before I come out now, he not hate you well. He may not hate you well. If I want your downfall, opportunity na enemy. You be smart to normal level, you be smart till later because I go your page yesterday when the woman called me, they tell me say you will so you bring it in enemy command. So you bring this one I say what? Say yes, so you bring a command, you the bully and this. I say no problem. I don't hear madam, calm down. Okay, me like PG we live video today. The next thing, I go again. I don't see the video. You know, I don't see the call name for the rest of that one. You call the name. Even if you get the one other one you should do self, you call the name. You do blah 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 blah. You take while I'm address you enjoy Christ. You talk. You start the woman name. You understand? I say, Mama address me at the until the woman. The screenshot where they take. Even who go comment everything they the screenshot where they take, where you take bring the address come and pin her. But now we do now we comment ourselves at the fear now some of commenters. Yeah, screenshot you were getting the video, screenshot cut the video, yeah forward there you calling it. Me ne present ma for me ne live video present ma. You understand? I forward there going and the woman does want go me even the lawyer get information the lawyer don't need. My brother, I beg you in the name of God. Even yesterday, this me we go like address where they don't go there. You understand? But the man the bundo ata way okay ma area Obama yakin most of fans even they call even there. First when they call even no problem here. One woman called you yesterday. The woman still called me and beg, Mama Vitru. Sorry we mention any name. She know no live video present blogger no. She be blogger. She called and apologized. Okay, Gamoza auto lao. You call it no give you no give you. But a woman ya we on no give here. But take matter far. Okay, Adelabi, I worry. Happy John. And you say Frank Victor, you lie. No problem. You know, you have to give you information. When we buy, no, you know, like the live video also. You understand? But how many women apologize? You understand? You know what time I didn't hear to woman. I may hear a biggie. You understand? I may hear a biggie. If I never hear a video, you know, hey, I am download there. A video, you know, oh, how ya be a This is the woman. Oh God, on social media. And yesterday I fear some people. Yesterday now I fear some people. When you feel say you just hide, one like my guy. No them. So you understand? A video ya no we are going to be yala dia. Yeah, we woman warn you. All the video, I got all the video. So I use a brain. You know, give. Come out categorically to apologize to that woman. Apologize to that woman. And here we are begging. We not really here. We not really here. Here we call you. We come say I debut. Say I debut. They don't not go woman on your phone. You can call me. Yeah, we block you. Yet you not block you. Ni sending no big woman. My well say, he has sending no big woman. Go. No apologize to that woman. And the little I will do for you be that one. I can send you that woman number. Then you apologize to that woman. Or my we will forget me and you. I can send you that woman number. You apologize to that woman. Me, you don't vex. Beg that woman. I use God beg you. You no give. You don't do any when you. You don't beg woman. Call him, eh? When you call him, eh? Call him, eh? Because he block you. You don't block you. You block you. When you know you call him, eh? Call him, eh? You don't beg woman. No. No beg a woman. Never gui. In the IT, you understand? Because but I want to banner. It's not one way go again. Net you know me or more. I will provide with this man. Monsieur. May I have here? So, no come with no come with so. Or say, no. You know why you have a video that you are trusting the woman in Rubio. We like the live video. No apologize to the woman. The matter is not clear. Because since this morning, now they beg this woman. Make it rest. The matter is not good right now. Because the matter is woman, I mean, 85% no young money were the courts. Because on my way there. On my way there. We know you are come. You have my address of Galatian. Who do come my way YouTube or sell their go? What business do you have with him a YouTube? You understand? So my brother, if you know my say so use your brain, oh. Use your brain because of your children. I know they talk all this thing because of you, because of your picking. Because alone we my bumbe. On good day now. A bomb marry you wa. Ya a border for a bono. Ya and lower. Ya and lower. We can like it boy. Now we sort of wine. When all your way, what is the water of my will? Waiting with you. A life you know use a brain. My way now I deal with a man. I want my way my word deal with a man. Do with the fat ourselves. Now I use God beg you. Use your head. Now I want to talk English. Maybe later if I still come on a program, I'll still talk to you. Use your head. But me and you, our saga still remain on nothing. We die. Saga man will not go. He not be here. But use your brain.
Okay, my amazing people, thank you all for watching the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Always share to your loved ones. As you do so, God bless you. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.